Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022. Citigroup, the great 2021 project in Bangladesh.
Arata Group, Brazilian chooses to rely on the global expertise of Alapala for its new 600 TPD turnkey greenfield flour mill investment.
Caption News on Digital Feed Supply Chain Management and Call Center for Aquaculture. Caption News on Urkia installing an automated grain sampler in Kazakhstan. Agricultural supply chain risks and 4 ways to limit exposure.
There is a lesson to be learned from OPEC's failure, Chairman of PRAN RFL Group.
Grand Sunlong report on AD steel silo in Turkey.
Malaysia is interested in investing in the palm oil industry in Bangladesh.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.